Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. And we're on prompts 15 and 16. 15 is Poppy and 16 is Shabby, whatever that means to us. So I hope everybody's doing great. Without further ado, let's get started. So this week I think I'm going to keep it simple. I haven't made clusters in a very long time, and I got these digitals from it used to be the Digital Collage Club, and I think now it's called Making and Creating, something like that. And I'm still having to get, I'm terrible with names, period, and when they change them it really throws me off. But it was what was the Digital Collage Club, and when we needed poppies, I went looking for poppies, and they had these cute little domino cards. So I thought, clusters. So that's what I'm going to do. So I think I'm going to get me a couple of different types of paper. I've got some of this gold, and some of the, and I probably will, let's see, I probably need something bigger than that. I've got this, it's not crinkled, but I can still use that. And I will go around the edges. Let me get rid of those corners. But I hope, like I said, I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing pretty good. I'm working on my Gothic coffee journal, and hopefully you've seen the video of the cover. If not, it's coming soon. But I have got to get busy on it, and it is so beautiful. And I started printing out some of the for the Shabby roses, and that's not what I'm doing because I want to show them before I fussy cut them. But they are so pretty. I love them. But it's called I think it's Shabby Roses or something like that, and it's gorgeous. Okay. Now, see what we're going to put next. Got a base. Thought about some kind of material. Let's see what looks good with each one. I've got some bits of lace and cheesecloth and all different kinds of things. So now it's just a matter of mixing and matching and seeing what we get. Kind of, I do like this. Cut a piece of this and maybe put it on there. Maybe a piece of this red lace. Oh, I like that. That's pretty. Okay, now let's see what we've got here. Maybe I've got some of this left over from my journal cover, and maybe a piece of cheesecloth. Add that down, and have that. Now that's pretty. All right, we're cooking with grease now. So this one I've got, maybe make it tall. Have that, and maybe a piece of, see if I have any, got some of this lace. And that's pretty. So I think we're going to go with that. And I'm just going to glue it down with some fabric tack. Let me find something to glue on so I don't get it all over my mat. Okay. I didn't feel real great last week, but I'm feeling a lot better this week. I like that. I get more done. I get up earlier. When I don't feel good, I don't feel like doing anything. Okay. And now for this. And we have our cluster. I don't know if I'm going to cut that off or not. I may cut just a little bit off. Alright, so that's one. Now, two. One thing about the material and the lace is kind of hit it in the center and it lets it kind of flow. I think these digitals are pretty. I wish I had some in a larger size. Okay. And now, last but not least, okay. Only other thing I may want to do, and I just thought of it, is maybe put a little bling on it. So I'll be right back. See what would look good. I'm thinking on this one, I like these pearls. Something about that red and pearls. See if I can. My hands are sticky from the Fabric-Tac. Now maybe. That there. Not using Fabric-Tac, but I think it'll, the art glitter, well, maybe it won't. I'm thinking the art glitter glue will hold it. I said my fingers are sticky. I've been using a lot of Fabric-Tac today. Okay, I'm not very good with these. People use these things just like they're nothing, and I struggle with them. Let me try. I have another set. It's not quite so strong. That might work a little bit better. Or maybe they won't. I don't know how people use these things. They just don't work for me. I'll tell you what. Let me just put it down there. See if I can get it to flip over. May have to put Fabric-Tac there since it's just on lace. Well, I still think that's pretty. Okay, this one, some gold. Oh, that's pretty. Put that down. Okay, last but not least, I've got this. Maybe, I think I like the green or the gold. I think I like the green. Okay, so now I'll add that down. Okay, I really like that. So now we've made 3 clusters, and that really went fast. I just pulled out, I have a little coffee can that I decorated full of scraps and stuff, and I just pulled out a few things, and that was it. So I'm going to set those aside, and now let's tackle Shabby. Now for Shabby, this is going to go into my Gothic coffee journal. So I'm just going to do a belly band. The journal is a little bit smaller than a typical journal, just a little bit, not much. So my belly band's not quite as long, but it's a good way to use up some of the scraps that I've already started accumulating from this, and it will color coordinate. So I'm going to put this down, and I'm just going to match that up. Now you could do a double belly band, but with all the stuff I've got going on it, I'm not. I think it'll be too hard to do. And this one should go really quickly as well. Okay. And I think I was kind of thinking along the lines of this and putting the flower there, because it really goes well. Now this flower is, I've got a bunch of them. I want to say, I don't know if it was from Amazon or Temu. Got them for Christmas, and I just clipped the end off. So, let me get this put on. I think this sticker, and it's lost its stick, is I believe from Dollar Tree. And I love the digitals from the Gothic Coffee. Let me see here. They are beautiful. And this from Bontique Designs, Bontique Vintage Designs. And I have his link listed in my description box to his Etsy store. And if you use the code that he gave me, you can get 50% off of everything in his store, and the code doesn't run out. And he has some gorgeous stuff, and I really highly recommend you go and check it out. Let's see here. That's going to be my problem here, whether it'll hold down. But there. He has some gorgeous stuff. He told me to pick out stuff. I'm like, it's hard to pick it out. So I ended up getting, I think it was 3 different kits, and he was so generous. And I'm going to do journals on all, even though he didn't ask me to. But oh, they're too pretty not to. So I know it may have been 4 kits. They're beautiful, and there's still more in there that I want to do. There's one in particular I saw that's called Chapels that I want to maybe do a prayer journal or something like that with it. So, and then there's my belly band. Do I want some bling on that? Let's see. Maybe. That's my scissors. Maybe a couple of green ones. I think that's pretty. I do love pretty. I think I like it better up there. Here we go. Well, now my belly band's done, and that was real easy. So we've got 15 poppy, which I did the 3 clusters, and we have got 16, which was shabby, and I did a belly band. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat. She is so talented, and I love her. And she just does amazing things and has some of the prettiest digitals. I've gotten a lot of her digitals. And also check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge 4 to see what everyone else has made. So y'all take care. I love y'all. And until next time, bye y'all.